Kevin Adams here to talk to you about Google Ads. The concept I want to convey is a campaign can only have one true objective. Now, this seems pretty simple. Whether it's in Facebook ads or Google ads or Microsoft, you can have a conversion objective, you can have an objective for traffic, but what do I really mean? So the idea is everything in a campaign is ideally suited to using assets and calls to action, creatives that are all focused on that one thing. Failed campaigns often turn into a result of asking the campaign to do too many things. Saying, hey, I want to get all kinds of exposure and I want to get leads out of this campaign and I want to get people who are doing this action and that action. And while driving a lead, depending if it's on Facebook or Google, could be a little bit different. Like on Google, I can have more than one different conversion type. The contact is ultimately what I want. If I'm doing a lead gen on Facebook, I might only be driving forms, but I need to do that, focus on that one thing. So take, for example, if I want to do a video views campaign, I need to use a video that people want to watch, not that I'm trying to force down their throat. Because if I put something up there, I'm going to go, well, I'm not getting a whole lot of views out of that. Hey, but this is part of our marketing. It's what I want to give it. What you need to do is you need to lean into the objective that you've given to that campaign. Everything about that needs to be focused. Another example that I'll give is that I've seen sometimes there are some businesses that are just so laser focused on the phone call that they don't want to answer the form. They don't want to reply to forms. If they get a form, they're not going to reply to it much. And so ultimately everything that you're doing is not getting anything unless it's through a phone call. In those cases, you're going to have to be more exclusionary. You're going to have to focus on call now, call today. Everything focuses on that. If you're putting out the apply online, well, that's just not going to work. You need to focus the objective. There's a technical thing that is the objective of the campaign, but the concept of that campaign needs to be solely focused on that one objective. What is it trying to solve? Stay with that, and you'll have a lot more success than, hey, all the things that we want the one campaign to do. This is Kevin Adams. I'll talk to you next time.